Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Nissan Qashqai today. This is the head unit that we have replaced from factory. The car has the stock head unit, the old conventional radio unit, but we have removed the radio and installed this beautiful 9-inch QLED screen. In this screen you can see we have all the Android functionalities, plus this screen has the Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all these mobile connectivities. For example, here is the Apple CarPlay. Right now my iPhone is connected. Here I have all my iPhone apps on the screen here. So this is completely wireless. As you can see, it's not connected with any kind of wired cable connection. For example, we have this Google Maps, so you can see we are here on the Malmvägen. It's Malmvägen 18D. There's the shop address. Plus we have other radio applications as well, like SR Play. This is a Swedish radio. We have settings, we have like Apple Original Maps, we have phone, music, audiobooks, all the applications that are supported by the Apple CarPlay or by the Apple that are appearing on my screen. If I go to back option, so here is the Android screen. In the Android screen we have installed one SIM card, so here you can see it is showing the 4G SIM connections. Plus you can download any kind of application from Play Store, or you can surf anything you want. For example, we have this YouTube. I will play some kind of video here. GTR, we will search for example like this. So here you can see the video is working. I will this video will not stop while driving. You can watch the video while driving as well. I will go to the home menu. Then we have some other kind of options. We have installed this DVR as well. So that's the DVR app. So traffic safety guard, we have different kinds of DVRs that works with the Android screens. This one is but from the customer itself, so I need to check its app update. But here you can see we have the video player as well, so you can watch videos while driving as well. So here is the video. We have the music player and some other kind of applications, but it is pretty much easy to install any kind of application here on the head unit. Plus, if your car is supported with the 360 cameras, normal back cameras, so we have the connectors and cables that works with these type of cameras or car cables. That's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the comments below. That's it. Thank you.